Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat pep channel quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora. I hope you are all doing great and your preparation is going on. Nice. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about the recently launched AIMCAT test series. I have been receiving a lot of queries regarding which test series one should go for, what are the differences between all, how you can take the discount out of that and everything around it. Okay, so without any delay, let's move to the discussion window. And okay, yeah. So before I start this, there is one small thing that I want to tell you that if you are a serious aspirant, there are four things that you must be doing on the regular basis. First thing, you should be regularly attending the mocks or the practice threads. You should be regularly attending all the practice threads that are posted on the quantifiers Facebook group. So if you are not on our Facebook group, just search for cat preparation quantifiers in Facebook and join the group, right? It is a must for everyone. Second, be a part of our Telegram group, right? The doubts by the students are solved over our Facebook as well as Telegram group. So be the part of this, right? Third, receive everything in your inbox from our important links to the sets and everything receive in your WhatsApp inbox. What you have to do, you just have to fill a Google form in the description of this video. There is a Google form in the description. Just fill the form. WhatsApp me your name and email address at this number 9988656560. This is my number. My name is Sahil again, right? And you will start receiving these. Please do save this number and send me this. All right. Okay. Now let's move to the matter under consultation, that which AIMCAT you should be visiting. Now, the very first important criteria to decide is AIMCAT your first test series or your second test series? Right. In another video, we discussed that how to prioritize your test series, right? Which test series you should go for. And I recommended on my personal opinion, on the basis of whatever I have gone through the last year and whatever I have seen, that your first choice should be IMS. If there is no budget constraint, then the second should be AIMCAT. Now, when I talk about AIMCAT, if AIMCAT is your second test series for anyone, right, then this module will work well for you, right? Then this module will work well for you. But if it is your first test series, then you should go for this module, right? Then you should go for this module. Now, why I am recommending that you should go for the one with the video solutions? Because there are a lot of LRDI sets which we face, which are better explained when we are seeing the solution rather than reading it. बहुत सारे LRDI सेट, बहुत सारे क्वांट क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं जिसकी अगर हम वीडियो देखते हैं ना तो ज्यादा समझ आता है इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट रीडिंग देम आउट. So this is the reason I always recommend students that please go for this version or this version. Right? In this, if you see in this discussion video for two, in this discussion video for all, discussion videos for all, right? And for two, right? So this is the basic thing. This is the basic thing that we should be going about. Right now, having said that, if AIMCAT is your second test series, this version. If AIMCAT is your first test series, this version. There is something called in the complete mocks. There's something called 20 All India self-administered mock test. Self-administered mock tests are called SAMCATs. Now, what are SAMCATs? SAMCATs are those tests in which you can take from your home as per your schedule. You do not have to book it in a window. You will not get the percentile on this. You will get the analysis. आपको analysis मिलेगा, आपको कोई rank वगैरह नहीं मिलेगा जो आपको बाकी mocks में मिलेगा. But it is a good thing. It has very good questions, so you can actually go for that, right? Now, what are OMET mocks? OMET mocks, as we know, other management examination tests, right? What are other management examination tests? ZAT test, SNAP mocks, and MET mocks, or everything related to that is included in this. So these are the other things that we can look after. The rest, everything is pretty common and can be understood, right? Now, if I study about the discounts one can leverage from this, as we can see, there are so many discount schemes, right? If you are someone who has the IM call, even from a cap IM, yes, cap IMs are also eligible. Cap IMs are the new IMs and the others, right? So you are eligible to get this price over right? Try to get this anyway, right? If you are someone who is scoring 98 percentile and above, again try to get this anyway, right? And then these are different scenarios. There are some people who take it in the name of others, which is not a very good practice. So I recommend you not to do it, right? So the last time there were some people who did it, right? So it's totally up to your totally up to your discretion, right? So if you are finding someone who has this, right, who has got this call and is not appearing, who has got this percentile and not appearing, you can use this, which is not often a recommended thing, right? So this is the basic thing, right? If I look at the schedule, right, this is the schedule that they have provided us, right? There are some AIMCATs which were for the classroom students. The rest and everything will be available now. For the classroom students, they were launched earlier, right? So I hope this video summarizes that what you have, what you need to have, and how you should go about it. All the very best, guys. If you have any other doubt regarding this, please feel free to connect with me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.